Hello, what's the word? Welcome to Boxing Block Center. Errol Spence Jr. That guy is something else, by the way. I didn't have time to watch the fight with him and Ocampo because Nigeria played Croatia that night, in the evening of it, and we lost 2-1 to Croatia in a very disappointing match. I was pissed off, I was soured, I was angry because our player played rubbish. They didn't play the Nigerian football. They played like it was a friendly. There's the World Cup, man up. So the World Cup tournament is still going on right now and is looking quite good so far. Full of surprises, by the way. So, let's go to the topic. Errol Spence Jr. I had to watch the highlights on YouTube and Errol Spence Jr., that guy is something else. So there's been some talks between him and Terence Crawford, who is the best. I think the better boxer is Terence Crawford. But Errol Spence Jr. is a bulldozer. You might have all the skills in the world to outmaneuver him, but it can definitely break you down because the guy has got a hell of a power. Although they say that the guy is not signed to Vader, he has to do that at some time. I hope it's not juicing. It's not juicing, right? But I don't think so. But I think the guy is a bulldozer. We saw the fight against Kell Brook. It was a fight Kell Brook could win just with his keys alone because Kell Brook is a phenomenal boxer. He's been there with the likes of Porter, which he won. So he was able to win that fight. But against Errol Spence Jr., the power is too much for him. He couldn't handle it. So I think Terence Crawford will have a hard time against Errol Spence Jr. Like we saw we saw when he fought Jeff Horn. It was a good fight. He was able to outbox Jeff Horn, was able to switch from southpaw to orthodox. He switched a lot of time, and his footwork is impressive. I like it. But he never dropped Jeff Horn once. Jeff Horn was never down once on the floor. So, which just proves to you that Errol Spence Jr. would have stopped Jeff Horn brutally. So Terence Crawford is the better boxer. He's got the skills. He's technically gifted, but Errol Spence Jr. is a good boxer, not a phenomenal boxer, but is a good boxer. But the power counts. He's like a bulldozer. No matter how strong you are, no matter how strong or how smart or how tall or three is, a bulldozer will always take it down. So Errol Spence Jr. is like that kind of guy. You might be tall, you might be skillful, you might be intelligent in the ring, but he's a bulldozer. He would just bulldozer you. And you know what I mean? Sweep you off the floor. So that fight, when it happens, it will be a mega fight. And I have to favor Errol Spence Jr. in that fight. Terence Crawford is a good boxer, phenomenal boxer, but I think the power will count. Sometimes power matters, and size matters as well. Sometimes, not all the time. So you guys should give your thoughts below, like the video, share, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Cheers, everyone.